Torrential slide cost genuinely equivalent to $14.5500 a coin in a kind of significant manner. The present exchange cost range, $13.83 to $14.5500, which certainly is very huge. The earlier day close, $13.8900, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. The change sort of was plus 0.6600, plus 4.75% in a sort of large way. Opposite rate, USD to Avax, which generally is genuinely critical. Torrential slide value expectation. In the not-so-distant future in month torrential slide cost forecast on Wednesday, June 7, cost $13.04, exceptionally most extreme $13.95, extremely least $12.13 in an unobtrusive way. Torrential slide figure on Thursday, June 8, cost $13.23, kind of most extreme $14.16, lovely least $12.30, which in every practical sense is very critical. Torrential slide cost forecast on Friday, June 9, cost $13.30, lovely most extreme $14.23, sort of least $12.37 in a huge way. Torrential slide gauge on Monday, June 12, cost $13.68, exceptionally most extreme $14.64, by and large least $12.72 in an unpretentious manner. In multi-week torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, June 13, cost $13.67, certainly greatest $14.63, kind of least $12.71, or so they generally thought. Torrential slide estimate on Wednesday, June 14, cost $13.38, most extreme $14.32, in every practical sense, least $12.44, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, June 15, cost $13.32, most extreme $14.25, especially least $12.39 in a significant way. Torrential slide conjecture on Friday, June 16, cost $12.94, essentially most extreme $13.85, least $12.03, or so they certainly thought. Torrential slide cost forecast on Monday, June 19, cost $13.23, kind of greatest $14.16, for the most part least $12.30 in a quite huge manner. In about 14 days torrential slide figure on Tuesday, June 20, cost $13.45, by and large greatest $14.39, sort of least $12.51, or so they for the most part thought. Torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, June 21, cost $13.68, most certainly greatest $14.64, essentially least $12.72 in a significant way. Torrential slide estimate on Thursday, June 22, cost $13.62, truly most extreme $14.57, exceptionally least $12.67, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Torrential slide cost expectation on Friday, June 23, cost $13.10, exceptionally most extreme $14.02, truly least $12.18 in an unpretentious way. Torrential slide conjecture on Monday, June 26, cost $13.14, by and large greatest $14.06, kind of least $12.22, which especially is genuinely huge. In 3 weeks torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, June 27, cost $13.46, certainly greatest $14.40, truly least $12.52. So torrential slide cost forecast on Friday, June 9, cost $13.30, all things considered, most extreme $14.23, truly least $12.37, which certainly is genuinely huge. Torrential slide figure on Wednesday, June 28, cost $13.17, extremely greatest $14.09, for the most part least $12.25. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, June 29, cost $13.13, genuinely greatest $14.05, especially least $12.21 in an essentially significant way. Torrential slide gauge on Friday, June 30, cost $13.12, truly most extreme $14.04, genuinely least $12.20 in an every way that really matters, significant way. Torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, July 3, cost $12.71, greatest $13.60, especially least $11.82, which in a real sense is very critical. In about a month torrential slide conjecture on Tuesday, July 4, cost $12.93, essentially greatest $13.84, lovely least $12.02 in a fundamentally large way. Torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, July 5, cost $12.77, extremely greatest $13.66, genuinely least $11.88, which truly is genuinely huge. Torrential slide gauge on Thursday, July 6, cost $12.82, kind of greatest $13.72, lovely least $11.92, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. USD to AVAX conversion standard pretty equivalent to 0.0687 coins per $1, which essentially is genuinely critical. Today, S reach 0.0687 minus 0.0723, which truly is very huge. The past day, S nearby 0.0720 in an unobtrusive way. Change for now 0.0033, 4.58% in an especially huge way. USD to AVAX cost figure for, in the not-so-distant future in month, which is genuinely huge. Dollar to torrential slide estimate on Wednesday, June 7, cost 0.077 coins. Lovely most extreme 0.082, least 0.072, or so they truly thought. USD to AVAX expectation on Thursday, June 8, cost 0.076 coins. Genuinely greatest 0.081, kind of least 0.071. Showing how USD to AVAX cost gauge for, in the not-so-distant future in month, which in every practical sense, is genuinely critical. Dollar to torrential slide conjecture on Friday, June 9, cost 0.075 coins, especially greatest 0.081, sort of least 0.070 in a very significant manner. USD to AVAX expectation on Monday, June 12, cost 0.073 coins, certainly most extreme 0.079, in every way that really matters, least 0.068 in an unobtrusive way. In multi-week dollar to torrential slide gauge on Tuesday, June 13, cost 0.073 coins, by and large greatest 0.079, least 0.068, which all things considered, is very huge. USD to AVAX expectation on Wednesday, June 14, cost 0.075 coins, beautiful most extreme 0.080, lovely least 0.070 in an unpretentious way. Dollar to torrential slide gauge on Thursday, June 15, cost 0.075 coins. Lovely most extreme 0.081, kind of least 0.070. Further appearance how torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, June 15, cost $13.32, beautiful greatest 14.25, especially least 12.39. USD to AVAX forecast on Friday, June 16, cost 0.077 coins, extremely greatest 0.083, really least 0.072, which certainly is genuinely huge. Dollar to torrential slide gauge on Monday, June 19, cost 0.076 coins, sort of most extreme 0.081, essentially least 0.071 in an unobtrusive way. In about 14 days USD to AVAX expectation on Tuesday, June 20, cost 0.074 coins, truly most extreme 0.080, really least